What's up, Cybertruck fans? I'm Ellie from T-sportline. We're out of the shop today again because we just completed wrapping another Cybertruck using a film that we have never done before. Check out the Inozetek Boneyard white vinyl film. What a special color. It's actually got some cream appearances to it. It's not your satin or your stark white, which has been very popular, and it's a great look, but I'm definitely warming up to this color. Inozetek Boneyard White is my new favorite in that palette of white colors, and I hope you guys like it too. I think it's really cool. It's appropriate for the Cybertruck, and as you can see, we wrapped all the exterior stainless steel panels in it, which is now protecting the stainless steel underneath, but more importantly, giving the customer a unique, first in the world, color change wrap. Now, we did not stop there. This customer also wanted to enjoy his truck a little bit in some off-road environments, in some dirt environments, and wanted to improve on his ride quality. And the answer to that was simple. Downsize from the stock 20-inch wheels and tires to our 18-inch CT7 wheels. They're fully forged with these really great, extra chunky, all-terrain Nitto Recon Grappler tires that fit perfectly on the Cybertruck for not only a better look, but better performance and handling off-road and also on the streets. And that's mainly because of this very large sidewall that you see right here, thanks to that profile from Nitto. These tires could deflate pretty low for you if you're going to be in those special off-road environment. And don't worry about the wheel and the tire separating, because these fully forged wheels have a knurled bead, which creates a really great strong seal between the wheel and the tire under a lot of torque, or if you lower the PSI, lower the pressure of the tires for off-road use. So new wheels and tires, new wrap, and then it's always in the details. This customer came to us from out of state, actually from Arizona, and as he was dropping off his truck, he was sharing with me that his wife had recently passed, and she was truly like his foundation in life, and we can all understand that, right? And her favorite color was yellow. So we went ahead and we reapplied and recreated the Foundation Series badges in yellow, as you can see right here on the front fender and also in the rear. This was a special touch, special request for the customer. It was our pleasure to go ahead and do that for him and just finish off this build with a really nice, warm feeling and a personal touch. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. We have so many more amazing Cybertruck videos coming your way soon.